Today I'm making quick and easy Matar Pulao recipe. Just simple right at home. Fluffy grains, aromatic spices and perfectly separated rice. Let's start the recipe. Take 3 cups pulao rice. Soak in water for 15 minutes. Then wash well. In a heavy pan, add 1 teaspoon ghee, 3 tablespoon oil. Ghee adds restaurant-style richness. Add 2 cinnamon sticks, 5 to 6 cloves, 4 to 5 cardamom and 1 bay leaf. Add half cup sliced onion. Roast for 2 minutes until lightly golden. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic and saute briefly. Whole spices give authentic pulao aroma. Then add the washed rice. Keep stirring. Roast the rice for 5 to 7 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Roasting rice enhances flavor and texture. 6 cups of hot water. Always use hot water for fluffy rice. Add half cup green peas. Do not overstir after adding water. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. When rice is about 80% done, place the pot over a frying pan and dum cook for 10 minutes on low heat. Maintain low heat during dum cooking. Dum cooking locks in moisture. Rice provides quick energy. Whole spices support digestion. Homemade pulao controls oil quality. Green peas add fiber and nutrients. Garnish with fried onions and serve. Your professional style pulao rice is ready. Soft, aromatic and perfectly fluffy. Try this recipe and share your feedback. Follow Innoven Cake and Cookies for more chef style home recipes.